So Amibroker doesn't do multiple systems simultaneously. So what you do is you decide what systems you're going to trade. You have a capital allocation to each of those systems. And then in your daily trading process, you do system 1, entries and exits, system 2, entries and exits, system 3. Actually, system 1, exits and entries, system 2, exits and entries, and so on. So you just run them one after another because they're all in separate code files. You have a spreadsheet where you have your total capital and then each of your systems with the percentage of your capital allocated to the system, so that you know, okay, my total capital today is $50,000. I put that in the top of the spreadsheet, and then that flows down into each system, so you know what the capital for Fee Harvester is. You put that number into the Fee Harvester, you run the system, and it gives you the signals. And then you run the next system, and it gives you the signals, and the next system, and it gives you the signals. That's how you do it. You can program Amibroker to open the first system, run it, copy the results, open the second system, run it, copy the results, and so on. You can do that. But generally, you know, it doesn't take very much time and effort. I've done that for some systems, but not others. So if you were just trading 2 systems, you just run them sequentially.